Hey YouTube. Backseat Lovers. Watch your mouth. One of my viewers, Lillian. Hi Lillian. Requested this, so what we're gonna do. Most of the song is made up of a D major 7 played. We can play it like this in the second fret, and the A major 7, which we can play like this at the first fret. A in the bass, D in the bass. All right, and that's when they're playing the beginning. I think they're just I forget the rhythm, what it is. Let me listen. Beginning, I think it's on an acoustic. They're playing the same chords, but I think they're just playing. Yeah, so I think they're just playing the root on the D, follow to the G, and then those are on the way down, and then you're playing the high E and the B. You're playing the high E first and the B second. That's the sequence, and then back to the high E. So it's 5 notes all together. And then they do the same strumming pattern, or picking pattern, except on the A. And then when they go into the main part of the song, they're doing a syncopated rhythm. So it's like, in this position, you have to mute a lot with your strumming hand, but I'm also pushing down with my fretting hand. So it's like 1, 2, scratch, 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 scratch. And then the same with the A. But I got my hand right on the strings, so I can mute them. Now, probably because they have 2 guitars, you probably have one playing the D major 7 at the 5th fret. It's a lot easier to mute them playing bar chords. And then the A major 7 with the 6-string root. And then there's some lead guitar work. They do some kind of neat riffs, and I think when they're kind of just doing fills, I think they're being played in the open position. And I just think of that as playing out of that D major 7 chord. We're just playing mostly on the B and the E strings. And we're playing open and also the 2nd fret. Then for the main solo, I think they're playing a lot at the 5th fret. This is a little home box shape. It's actually the A major pentatonic. And then this is your another pentatonic position you could play. This is your root on your pinky at the 12th fret. A. All right, that should get you through that song. Thanks again for the request. Have fun playing it. Bye-bye.